If your Google Chrome browser is running slow, crashing, or you're experiencing security vulnerabilities, updating to the latest version might be exactly what you need. In this tutorial, I'll show you the quick and easy way to update Chrome on your computer in just a few clicks. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, scroll down until you find Settings and click on that. On the Settings page, look at the left sidebar at the bottom and click on About Chrome. As soon as you click About Chrome, Chrome will automatically begin checking for updates. If an update is available, you'll see a progress indicator showing the download and installation percentage. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet connection. Once the update is complete, you'll see a button that says Relaunch or Restart. Click this button to relaunch Chrome with the latest version. After Chrome restarts, you'll see the message Chrome is up to date with the current version number displayed. Your browser is now running the latest version with all the newest features, security patches, and performance improvements.